All right, Georgie Sports Cards here. We're doing a box here of a Peachy here for Justin. Toronksu, man. Good luck. Come on, McJesus, one time. Still have yet to hit a McJesus out of this one. I think the last case we did, the best hit was Larkin. All right.
Getting into the game situation before I could really make a decision. And in fact, Deshaun, did some really good things. I think he'd like to, have some others back. But look, it was an opener. He's going to get sharper, play better. But he made some big plays for us. There's no
Die cuts. Tyler Ennis. Jack Eichel, rookie. All-Star, another die cut here. Pavel Datsyuk, Hudson, and Braden Holtzby. Capitals. That is Trax. The Holtzby, another Trax. Stanislav Galiev, Capitals rookie. Adam Pelech. We got Matt Pupil. Rainbow, Fabry, Alexander Steen, Rainbow, Pupil, Corey Perry, Rainbow, Fiala, Adam Pelech, Rainbow, Henrik Lundqvist, Rainbow. Another die cut here. We got Jamie Benn, Hunter Shakenrook, Wayne Gretzky, Bobby Ryan, Shane Prince, Lundqvist, McCann, Blake, Poirier, Iginla. Yeah, not shiny unparalleled. Ooh, nice little PC. How about some Jordan Wheel for the Kings? Jordan Wheel, rookie, number to 125, 65, 125. We got Cam Ward. That is 50 of 199 on the Cam Ward. Jacob Voracek. White Ice to 199. Ooh, nice. Jack Eichel, rookie. That is Red Prism to 149. $149, Jack Eichel rookie. Hannafin and Larkin. There you go, Justin, man. Appreciate it, dude.